All right, Mopar fans, take a look at this one. 1971 Dodge Challenger RT. This is a 340 4-barrel car, also a 4-speed car, and it is also a plum crazy purple car, all originally. So if you'd like to check out the data tag, I took a picture of that, and I also decoded everything. I did take a picture of that too to save you a little time if you want to take a peek at it. Or a lot of you probably know a lot of those codes right off the top of your head. So this wasn't originally a 340 4-barrel 4-speed manual transmission in plum crazy purple. So it still retains all those things. It is actually numbers matching engine yet, and also numbers matching transmission. So this is a real deal. Did come with a black vinyl top. Did have the high level trim to it, so you got the black vinyl bucket seats. Very nice car. Paint on this car is, I would say, above a driver quality paint. It's not perfect, but it is a nice quality paint. Car runs beautiful, drives out well. I would call it a frame-on restoration. We did trade it in from the previous owner, who traded in on a Cuda and a couple other vehicles of his. If you'd like to check out those still pictures, I was talking about that data tag, and you can check out the undersides, the VIN, the sheet I have decoding what that data tag is. You can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or if you'd like to discuss the car, got any questions, feel free to give us a call too. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. See how straight the car is, how nice the doors fit. Come up on this vinyl top, give you an idea too. It fades out a little bit in the video here, but it is black in color. It's not kind of the grayish charcoal that sometimes you get in the video. There you go, get like that. You can see it's a little darker. Again, those underside picks, if you didn't catch that, want to check that data tag, interior engine bay, check out the underside picks at uniqueclassiccars.com, and there's our phone number, the license plate, 507-386-1726. Gonna go through a few of the other things that this would have had. The chrome exhaust tips, that was an N42 code, so that's the way it would have came from Dodge. Does have the tachometer, did come with an AM radio. It does have a later model radio with it now. There is the AM radio, a few docks and what have you also that come with it. There's the original AM radio. I'll leave that in the trunk of the car, the back seat. So you can figure the AM radio, the original one, would be included with it. 3-speed wipers, the console, the wood grain, tinted glass. Like I said, that full vinyl top. Those are all stock options that this would have came from. And again, you can check that out on the codes in the data tag and the picture that she decoded it with. So feel free to snoop those over. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the interior now. Again, the black vinyl bucket seats. Check out the door car, is also in nice shape. Carpeting door sills, rear seat. Again, all very nice shape. This is a car that you could show, drive it, have some fun, local cruise-ins, a little bit of everything. Don't have to be afraid to drive this one. Very nice car. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Noticed earlier that it seems like all the gauges, tack, everything worked on it. See how easily it starts. Tack does work. Odometer reads 79,573. Can't confirm if that's original or not. Obviously, it's been restored since then. There's your gauges. All appear to be working. Temp gauge will come up with water temperature. Clock does not work. You noticed that earlier. There's a little aftermarket stereo that's been put in it. There was one little crack in the dash up here, I noticed. Let this thing warm up a little bit here. Slip her out of the back seat here, this baby run. Nice little low idle out of that 340. You know you're showing up when you pull up with this one, a little plum crazy purple rumble to it. There you have it, 1971 Dodge Challenger, true RT car, 340, 4-barrel, numbers matching, tranny and engine, 4-speed transmission. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726, or check out all those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.